back at the Magic Kingdom. Yay! We have to get to Tron. We have a virtual queue, and we're the second group, so we have to book it. We have to be there by 9:40. Cam, 9:49. What time is it?
9:36.
Okay, here's the castle. Woohoo! Way better than yesterday.
Prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Hello.
The carriage and the bird.
Yes. Oh, thank you. Yes.
Allegedly they talk.
I know.
I've never heard that.
See, I keep talking to Lucifer all the time, but you know, Lucifer never starts talking back to me.
No, he just meow, meow, meow.
Uh-huh.
Emphasis on the hiss.
And the
Yeah.
meow.
Yes.
You know,
That's a good one.
he actually is in need of a bath. Would you be interested?
As long as he doesn't scratch me.
No, he just gives very sharp hugs.
It's his love.
It's his
Love
way of
mark.
showing affection, yes.
Okay,
yes.
I'll help.
Hugs really, really tight.
Oh, we
Okay.
have someone to help.
Yes.
A third person
Yes.
is nice. We like to hold them down.
Yes.
I spilled tea all over him this morning, so he's especially sticky.
Okay.
Yay!
He loves bath time.
You know,
We'll be there.
Nice and early.
I'm
nice and early.
always there to clean and
Thank
cook.
you.
Oh,
and
yes.
everything.
I'm very confident.
So-
We are looking for a replacement. We'll test you tomorrow.
Okay.
Exactly.
Sounds good.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you. Sorry, guys.
Why?
This is what I do all the time.
I asked Matt Albert and he didn't want to go. I was like, they're the hottest bitches in here.
Y'all are gonna get pixie dust?
Yes, you have to.
What's that?
Let's go.
Is it glitter? I love glitter.
Yes. We have to get pixie dust.
Can we eat it?
Hi. Can I get some pixie dust?
Close your eyes.
What are you going to do? What happens? What do I do?
You just need pixie dust.
Do I do anything or just hold it?
Hold it.
Close your eyes. Take a great big wish. Anything happy thoughts?
On the sword? A ver, can you try to tape? See how it fits?
There you go.
Cool. I want pixie dust. Can I?
Okay.
Your eyes, princess. Take a great big wish.
Thank you. Yay! Isn't it the funnest?
It is, and I wish. Did I say my wish?
Yes.
I wish that the Alma Opus and the TED take off so that we can retire early.
Well, I usually just wish for happiness, but that'll work. It's so pretty.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hi, Chip. Hi, Dale. Woo! In the wilderness. Albert, look at the creeper over there. The creeper.
Nice wreath. I think I might do that.
Thank you, sissy.
Look. He's going fire, Cameron.
What's that dragon supposed to be from?
I don't know. No idea.
What do you think they put on that bacon to make it
What's an invention like?
crack?
It's Pirates of the Caribbean. I love that one.
It's a ride?
A boat.
A boat ride? Do you get wet?
I mean, they shoot the cannons back and forth, so the little water splashes up.
What's the wait for that?
Usually little.
Let's do that, right?
Sometimes
Yeah.
I've seen it as low as 5 minutes and as high as 35 minutes.
Oh, all right.
And then the other boat ride, Jungle Cruise. I love that one because they tell the corny joke.
Oh, that one's lame.
It's lame. Alright. And I say, hey, you what? Emma, you asked me.
Did you lose your bacon?
It was fat.
Oh, okay.